19 Great Ideas for Showers without Doors. Glass mosaic tile brings lots of color to this doorless shower. Notice how the deep blue countertop recalls the bits of blue tile in the mosaic. This design by John Lum Architecture, via House, is an example of a classic, low-cost, beautiful walk-in shower. Here, a transparent glass partial wall exposes the beauty of the tile job at all times. The marble tile in this walk-in shower adds elegance to a very personal, eclectic bathroom design featuring an oil painting and a skirted cabinet. This design by Lisa Luby Ryan is a beautiful example of how you can combine classic decor and personal touches. Subway tile is often installed in a uniform, solid wall, but you can avoid a boring white look by adding one or more rows of accent tiles, as in this walk-in shower by Fox Group Construction. The lines of dark marble bring visual interest and movement to white subway tile, and the same dark marble is used in the hex tile floor. This tile work is a study in contrast. The double-sided bench in this bathroom designed by Atlantic Interiors perfectly defines the space and brings beautiful colors via its glass mosaic tile. It provides sitting space both in the shower and in the outer bathroom. Note the accessibility features and handheld shower head, as well as the modern rain shower head. Glass blocks are definitely an 80s thing, but they are making a strong comeback. Glass block works perfectly well in this contemporary bathroom by Shasta Smith, via House. The soft, muted neutral palette brings this 80s staple into the 21st century, and the fogged glass provide privacy and transparency. Would you dare this glossy, reflective tile in your walk-in shower? This design by R.W. Anderson Homes makes it work by providing plenty of light and contrasting the silver glossiness with a matte white marble floor and matte fixtures. This classic, no-fuss, neutral-colored bathroom by Stonebridge Development Group, via House, features a large walk-in shower with great lighting. The ceiling window provides needed extra light in a space with only another frosted window, and the neutral palette makes it perfect for seasonal color changes. The 3/4 height partition wall adds a design feature and provides built-in storage nooks. Marble is a great all-around luxurious material for walk-in showers, and this one is no exception. This great corner shower featuring several body sprays and a corner bench, by PLD Custom Homes, has everything you will ever want in a showering space and a luxury design that will add value to your home. Tiling all surfaces, including the ceiling, may not be for everyone, but it does give the impression of entering another world each time you enter the shower. This beautiful bathroom features a modern take on the Craftsman style. The design by Norman Building and Design, via House, is classic with a twist of contemporary. The light fixture and the sinks are especially cutting edge. But you'll notice how the clever walk-in shower design maintains your privacy even when someone walks in and takes a bath. The use of large windows, natural wood, and earth tone colors is right from the Craftsman Prairie Style playbook. The juxtaposition of cool marble tile and warm wood tones in the flooring makes this bathroom visually interesting and full of character. Designed by Jackson Page Interiors, it also saves room by putting together the shower and the tub, wet room style. Transparent glass walls preserve the beauty of the marble tile to anyone using the bathroom. What makes this walk-in shower so special isn't its size or its design, although it's pretty big, and has a great minimalist, neutral design, thanks to Czar Architects via House. The stunning feature is the view. Imagine walking out of this shower to watch the sunrise or sunset on this gorgeous ledge. What a way to use your location at its best. Black doesn't mean boring in this wonderful matte honeycomb tile. This bathroom designed by Gia Renovations features plenty of natural light, a neutral color palette that works for both men and women, and two super modern square-shaped rain shower heads and fixtures in black. When light and openness are more important than privacy, this half-wall walk-in shower style is perfect for keeping the bathroom spacious and bright. This bathroom by Jenny Liasia Design, via House, uses classic marble and dark tile for a contemporary, minimalist style. Combine your tub and shower areas with a design like this wet room-style bathroom. Travertine tile instead of marble gives a different, more old-world look, and designer Kelly Stoneberg balanced the feminine touches with more masculine straight lines and brown colors. If you prefer more privacy, this Nook-style walk-in shower will give you just that. This design by Holland and Knapp Construction, via House, features a bright yellow and orange color scheme to keep the room light and spacious. No dark corner in this bathroom. Shower from every angle with this walk-through design from Rock Paper Hammer. Multiple shower heads and wall sprays provide maximum relaxation. The classic marble tile also makes this design timeless. Glass walls on all but the exterior side wall keep the shower bright. When you have the luxury of space and an ample budget, you can feature showers like this one. Rounded at the end of the room, the vault-style area also defines the space for the drop-in tub. In this custom home by GNB Builders, there's enough space for 2 or more users. The same large tiles are used for the shower walls and the outer bathroom floor, with smaller tiles used for the shower floor and trim work around doors. This homey shower design by Harrell Remodeling, via House, also has universal accessibility features for a multi-generational, aging-friendly bathroom. The muted green and blonde wood accents make this shower design conscious but not pretentious, and its size is perfect for smaller spaces. A partial glass panel extending up from a partial tile wall allows plenty of light into the shower while confining the spray. This white marble tile shower by Sarah Bartholomew design will please lovers of minimalism. The all-over white gives this space a minimalist profile, and the pared-down space with a small alcove for personal care products eliminates distractions. The effect would be quite different if the alcove was finished in a contrasting tile. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.